Hey dolls and friends, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michon, and on this channel I create high-end farmhouse home decor, including some hauls and reviews. If you're not new, hey doll, hey! So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you some items that I picked up from TEMU. Now, if you are unfamiliar with TEMU, I need you to get on this train, boo. It is so addictive. Now, it's either you love it or you hate it, but I absolutely love it because it has not steered me wrong at all. But if you don't know what TEMU is, after I'm sure months of seeing a lot of videos here on YouTube, it is an online marketplace that you can buy anything your heart desires. And I mean anything. They have everything from home decor, kitchen items, kitchen gadgets, home supplies, outdoor supplies, outdoor home decor, gardening supplies, clothing, any type of fashion for your mom, your dad, your uncle, your kids, your dog, your pet stuff. They have everything you could possibly think of. And I really love using their app. It's super easy to use, and I can take it on the go with me, so I can do whatever I need to, whether I'm in the house or out of the house, and it's just there for me to use. Now, I know a few people say that, you know, it takes a long time for their shipping. I actually did a couple of orders, not as an influencer or a YouTuber, just as plain old Amber. And I promise you guys, I got my stuff in probably about a week and a half, which is pretty normal for, you know, TEMU, if you ask me. That's how long it takes me to get my stuff when I do videos with them like today. So obviously, as you can see, today's video is sponsored by TEMU. Today I'm going to share with you all of the kitchen finds and gadgets, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So first up, I'm going to show you these containers. They are stackable, so it's 2 of them. And I have these in my pantry right now from Walmart. They're a little bit longer, but I really like these because they're tall and slender and they stack really easily as well. So I think these will be great. For me, I'm going to use them probably under my sink or at the top of my sink where I put like my dishwasher pods in there. I really like these. I think they're adorable and super like compact. That's what I really like about these, is that they do not take up a lot of space. So really like those. The next thing I got is this strainer, and I really like it because how many times are you straining either your noodles or you're cleaning your rice, right? And you have to put your hand there, or you have to put a spoon there, or the top of the pot or something like that, the top, you know, the top of the pot, and so that the contents don't fall out. So I really like this because you don't have to dump it all the way to get your water out. It shit goes right through those holes. So that is a plus in my book. All right, next up, this pretty cool, this is actually, what is this? I read it on the box. It's a knife sharpener. So you have the ridges right here. There's 4 of them, and you just sharpen your knives. I think they're, what, 2 different size knives you can sharpen it. Like the butcher knife, and then just a regular, you know, big knife or whatever. My husband is really gonna like these because he grills every Sunday and loves to sharpen his knives, and you know, he does that. So I think he'll really appreciate this, especially like he can do a couple at the same time. But yeah, so that's really nice. I like that. Next is this bottle opener right here. Let me open this box. Oh, this is cool. Okay, because I cannot open any bottles anymore these days. I don't know. I feel like I'm pretty strong, but I mean, sometimes that bottle top wins. But I mean, that's really cool. The way that it, you know, all right. I'm not mad at that. I haven't seen a bottle opener like this. I mean, I haven't seen a bottle opener in a long time because I usually just have my husband open it, even though it might take him a couple seconds, but you know, it's gonna take me at least 30 minutes, so I don't even bother. Next up is going to be this electric, what is this? Electric food chopper. A wireless portable electric food chopper. Now I like this. So it says wireless, but obviously you have to charge it. So this is it. So, I mean, you don't have to plug it in basically to use it. So you have to hold the button down. Okay. Okay, but I still like that. That's nice. Okay. And then you charge it right here. You pull that back and you charge it right there. Okay. I think I like this. No more crying when I cut them onions and get my fingers sticky when I cut them, what is it, garlic. So yeah, I actually really like that, like, a lot. Next is these little items. Okay, so these are silicone tops, right? So if you have, like, if you're like me and you have a bunch of containers that don't have tops, obviously they would have to be circular. So I think these are great. Obviously wash these before you begin to use them, but I like that there are a bunch of different sizes, the smallest being this little guy, and then so on and so forth. So yeah, pretty cool. Next up, we have a duster. More everyday household, items. Oh, this extends. This is cute. Oh, and it comes off so you can, wash it? Do you wash duster heads like this? You can tell I don't dust. But look at this, it extends. Okay. I like that. Nice. Phoebe likes it too. She's like, ooh, is that mine? Is that for me? It's really soft too, actually. It's not as full as it could be, but hey, it'll do the job. There it is. There we have it. Next up, I have this portable electric juice cup, and I really am excited about having this because it's portable and I needed something like this that will keep me honest in what I am using and drinking. Now, I don't think you can drink out of this, can you? No, I think you just pour out of it. Yeah. You just make whatever it is you want to make. And then I like that they have the strainer at the top. So if you have, like, say if you use this for like a sauce that you want to make for your food and it's a little bit chunky and you don't want all the chunks, you can have the strainer and just pour that out and get all that goodness in it. Then the next thing I want to share, I love these. They are called Magic Hat Bottle Stoppers. Now, this is for my wine drinkers. Can I get an amen? Amen. No, I'm just kidding. But these are so cute. I love these. I saw them. I had to have them. So, yeah, there's 3 that come in a pack, but they are little hat bottle stoppers to put in your wine instead of putting the cork back in there. I think these are so cute, aren't they? I know they are. Tell me they are. They are. I know they are. So I got a blue one, a green one, and then there's a black one in here as well with a little red stripe. I think they're so adorable, and they're definitely going to get used. Okay, just a few more items. So next up are going to be these little, what are these? They're like bowls. It's something my husband definitely would love because he loves drinking a tea, having a little soup and stuff like that, especially Caleb. But I thought these were really cute for, I would totally use tea for these, to be honest. My husband will probably like grind up some spices in one of these because I'm pretty sure it can take that. It's bamboo, so it's just like a finer kind of look to it, but I really like these. I think these are really adorable. Even if you're looking for more of like just an aesthetic for your home, I think these are really cute, and they're only a couple dollars. Next up, it's not like a kitchen gadget, but it's going to be in the kitchen. I found this really cute water jug. I think it's adorable. I love the colors. Believe it or not, these are the colors of my wedding. Mine was purple, my husband's was blue, and I just think it's really good to have. I love the little motivational, things for the times. A bunch of people have these, but I thought this one was the cutest because, and it's opaque, so like you're not daunting looking at it like, oh my god, I gotta drink that much water. Anyways, I need this to drink more water in my day. And then I also have these. Okay, so these are gonna look weird, but these are actually gonna help everyone out so much. They are storage bags. You go shopping to Kroger, Walmart, Dollar Tree, and you got a bunch of bags. What do you do with them? You stuff them in a drawer, under the sink, or in a corner. Baby boo, get these because this is going to save your life in your corners, okay? I think these are, I love how they look. They're so great to have. So, like, useful. And to top it off, they're really cute. So they come in white and black. I have a black one here. And I think they're just adorable. So you just kind of hang it from right here. And then you just stuff your bags in there. And you pull them out right here. When you fill it up, it's obviously gets a little bit more, you know, full than this. And then you have this bottom, and you just pull one out when you're ready to have it. I usually use the bags that we have for snacks when I go pick up my boys from the school. They gotta have their snacks, and it's usually like a 30-minute ride back home. So always have those. I really like these, and I think these are great to have. Get them, get them, get them, get them. And then the last thing I have is this really awesome vegetable chopper. Oh my gosh, I was so excited to get this, y'all. I eat a lot of vegetables. Like I said, I'm trying to lose baby weight, but I also just really like vegetables. And this right here will allow me to chop them all kinds of different ways. So you have your basket down here where it catches. You have your thing up here where you put it on, and then you just are kind of chopping them. Let's see if I can figure out how to use this. Here we go. You have them open right here, and then you have all of your blade types and these little jingamabobs, right? You just attach that on there. Your directions are right here for your vegetable chopper, and you just go to town. That's all I got today, y'all. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video and all of my fun finds. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, I would love if you gave me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you enjoyed hanging out with me today, and if you're looking for more DIY content, I will have that coming up soon in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, I would love to have you a part of my Crafty Doll family. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this and what you're excited to see from me next. I know it's been a while, y'all, but here I am. I'm doing what I can and when I can, and you know me. That's all I got for you. I can only do what I can do. Control what I can control, right? Anyways, make sure you head over to TEMU's site and see all the things that you can get to enhance or just have fun in your life. I'm all about having fun and just enjoying life, because you only get one, so why not enjoy it as best as you can? Also, a big thank you to TEMU for sponsoring today's video. I love partnering with them, and they're always so fun to work with, and I love getting the items from them. All right, dolls, be blessed, stay safe, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye. Spices, but it would, Phoebe pulled on her toy too hard and it fell on her. Are you all right, little girl? You okay? How'd that happen? You all right? You got it? You want me to put it back up for you? Yeah. I got you, girl. Oh, stay with it. Maybe don't pull on it so hard next time, yeah? How about that? Yeah? I think you pulled on it too hard. Yeah? Yeah, you did, huh?
You say that you're from out of town.